So when we expand this one, we get 2 sine of x cosine of x, right? So we have a factor, we have a term with sine and cosine together. Okay. So you might factor out with one of these guys, but this one, right? We've seen this before when we did this. What did that equal to in the identity section?
That one.
Yeah. This, right?
Yeah.
So I have this here from that. What's that equal to? What is this equal to this?
1.
I have 1. So I'm going to put it right beside each other, okay? And then cosine 2x, I'm going to actually pick this one. Okay, let me put it this way. You can see that this right here will turn into this.
Yeah.
What about these 3? Doesn't that contain a factor of this?
Yeah. So plus minus.
So you factors like this first. Let me just spell it out. Cosine of x plus sine of x. And then we have another cosine of x plus sine of x. So do you see that we can factor out these 2 things from here? We can also factor out from here too. So then let's do that. So we have a sine x plus cosine of x is equal to plus 1, right? Okay. Okay.
Plus 1.
Yes, plus 1. So this is something we can work with. Right, we have that's equal to 0. So sine x plus cosine of x equal to 0. Or this is equal to 0, which is cosine of x equals negative half. Right, this is something obviously we can work with. So this one here, for the cosine,
minus 30.
no. This right here is going to be pi minus pi over 3. Right, and that right there is going to be pi plus pi over 3. We know that from when it was half, we know it's pi over 3. So it's exactly by symmetry, it's pi minus pi over 3 and pi plus pi over 3. So we have so far 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3.
Yeah.
Here,
45.
this is equal to minus cosine of x. Divide both sides by cosine. And you do get negative pi over 4, but more actually. Actually, negative pi over 4 is not valid because we have to find answer from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so pi, 2 pi. So it looks like this. Let's see what the answers are then. Right. So there's going to be 2 answers. Here's negative 1. So that right there is going to be pi minus pi over 4. This is going to be 2 pi minus pi over 4. So from here, the x values are 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. 4 answers.